Hi! In front of me is Samsung Galaxy Z Flip4 5G, and today I would like to show you how you can set up screen lock on this device. You need to start by opening settings and scrolling down. Now click on lock screen, tap on screen lock type and tap on one of those login methods, pattern, pin or password. I will go with pattern. Then you need to enter your login method, choose next at the bottom right corner, repeat it and tap on confirm at the bottom right corner as well. Now you can manage notifications on your lock screen over here, or disable them completely by selecting this switcher next to on. Then select turned off. When you're ready, click on done and now select agree if you wish to back up your pattern. I don't want to, so I will go with cancel. And now when I turn off my screen and then turn it back on, I can see that pattern is now required. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and don't forget to subscribe. Bye!